Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Phina here. Pretty sure this is the first time, not sure if that is the right pronunciation, but Phina, Sisi, Wale. I love this vibe in this song here. I think it's Swahili, if I'm not mistaken. We Are the Ones is what I got from the translation there. Beautiful song. So let's take a look at this 3-chord song. We'll have 3 easy chords if you just put a capo here on the 4th fret. So let's do that. And with that capo on 4th, we have D, A, and G to go over. So first the D chord, that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. We have A as well, that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. And finally G. 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Alright, so I'm gonna learn the intro here. That it could be played in the song as well in the background perhaps, but it's more strumming dominant later. But anyway, this is the intro. It goes like this for D. Alright, so you're gonna play open D, 2nd G, back to open D, 3rd B, and 2nd B. Alright, then comes the A, it goes like this. Alright, so that is open A, 2nd G, reach out to 4th G, back to 2nd G, and open B. And then comes the final G there, so that will be right, so that will be 3rd on E string, 3rd B, and then comes this part, 3rd E, 2nd E, and 3rd B. That will be on the first round, this ending with that ending, but the second round will be this ending. So that will be 3rd B, 2nd B, and 2nd A. This is the first round, and this is the second round. Alright, so there you have the melody. And now we're gonna take a look at the final thing here with the strumming. And of course the chords comes in the same order, D, A, and G from the beginning till the very end. Let's take a look at one string around with G. Okay, so let's grab the G, that's the chord that covers all strings. So it will be easier. So if you grab that one, you will play one round, down, down, up, clap, down. So, like this, all right? So, down, down, up, clap, down. Couple rounds. All right, so you're gonna play D, 1 string around, A, 1 string around, and G, 2 string rounds through entire song, like this. Alright guys, so Sisi, Wale, and see you very soon I hope. Till then, play tuned.